Come test drive the 2019 X7. The BMW X7 is sure to excite those looking for a full-size BMW SUV. Third-row seating, coupled with the latest technology and upscale interior features, make this a must-see for anyone looking for a luxury SUV vehicle, and is priced below $85,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, remote engine start, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, cold weather package. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.